Sports betting can feel like a coin toss. But the truth is, winning long-term comes from finding value. OddsJam helps with that by scanning ads across dozens of sports books every second. When the math shows that a bet pays more than the true probability, that's what's called a positive expected value bet. OddsJam shows you those bets instantly, so you don't have to dig around yourself. If you prefer safer plays, it also offers an arbitrage finder, which spots situations where you can bet both sides of a match at different sportsbooks and lock in a guaranteed profit. And for bonus hunters, the low hold feature helps turn free bets and promotions into real money without much risk. With tools like bet tracking, alerts, and real-time updates, you won't miss good opportunities. It's a paid tool, but you can test it for 7 days free through the link in my description. If you're serious about winning more, OddsJam is worth checking out.